And with that, the 2022 season comes to an end. Good night.
I'm a shooting star leaping through the skies like a tiger, defying the laws of gravity. Erasing